Hello kids! Have you ever wondered how life begins and grows? Just like every story has a beginning, middle, and end, living things have their own stories too. These are called life cycles. A life cycle is the journey of a living thing from the start of its life to its end. Life cycles ensure plants, animals, and other living things continue to exist on Earth. Let's explore the life cycle stages together. First, every life cycle begins with birth. Some animals, like frogs and butterflies, hatch from eggs. Others, like humans, are born alive from their mothers. Plants, however, begin their journey as tiny seeds. Next comes growth. This is when living things grow bigger and stronger. For example, a baby grows into a child and eventually an adult. A tiny seed sprouts roots, stems, and leaves to become a big, healthy plant. Development is a vital stage in the life cycles of living things. In butterflies, this is where the caterpillar transforms into a pupa and then emerges as a butterfly. But each insect has its own unique way of growing and developing. After growth comes reproduction. This is when animals and plants create new life. For example, frogs lay eggs in water, and humans give birth to babies. Plants produce seeds that can grow into new plants. Reproduction is the most important part of the life cycle because it ensures that living things continue to exist and thrive. Let's explore life cycles of a frog and a butterfly in the following game. Here's the life cycle of a frog. An adult frog lay eggs. Then these eggs turn into embryos. After that, we have a stage called a tadpole. Then we have a tadpole with 2 legs. And here it's a froglet. Finally, it becomes a frog. Good job! And here is the life cycle of a butterfly. It also starts with eggs, then it becomes a caterpillar. The caterpillar turns into a pupa. Then it becomes a butterfly. Let's check. Good job! Different living things have unique life cycles, as we saw in the game for frogs and butterflies. But humans grow through different stages, from a baby to a child to a teenager and finally an adult. Studying life cycles is very important. It helps scientists and farmers understand how to protect animals and plants. Farmers too use this knowledge to grow healthy crops and care for their livestock. By learning about life cycles, we can ensure that living things thrive and continue their amazing journeys through life. That's all for today. See you soon in another fun Science Nuggets video.